Mbiamano sana umurikito Steven Nyarikembunda sogotwariganiria oroboti urwasinchira iyo bwagare. Oskabosio egati yabasai kurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii nabo igokorwa chinse chesko inse yekiombe kyabo kya Gusii Young Professionals abo bare chiribu 13 nigoli tkolia rero bachengera emyaka 5 gesa ekiombe kyo yachagetigwe bakoragwa n'umunyakirogobo Douglas Ogari nigo baereire eganga yekiombe kyo yokorenta abasayamo nabo igoko egendereria asemerimo yabo bono nigo Abarai bekiombe kiga baganire umurai wense Dr. William Ruto amo na Abarai bande kurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii okora Egeikaro n'abasaye borgongo rwa Gusii chinga kechyo boigo nigo baburire abasaye gotatumikwa bobe n'abana siasa bosio bobochoryo bonene bo mwaka bwekiri bubere 2025 Morikito Pethuel Machini na Mange.
Ekiombe kya Gusii Young Professionals ekikabwataneti abasae wetanya chiriwe 13 kurase county ya Kisii mune county ya Nyamira nigoli tukuria rero gyachingire myaka 5 gesage chakiwa.
Gusii Young Professional has been in existence for the 5 years. We have come to this meeting to review our achievements, past achievements, and to draw the work plan for the next 5 years.
Okwa nabarike mangana maya Egeikaro kyo nigo munyakirogo obo Douglas Ogari anyakabaga kwera ekirenga kya ekiombe kiga gyokoreta basayamo
egango yitene na sirit koria rero no korenta ekichana oyoro musae amo erito nyako ngusamo rero otore gaiga asengencho omusae naganetie kubwatesiwa. We want to work naba tobali bare serikali ekankene nene rina torento omugusiamo omusamo erinde tonyare gokonyo.
Ogari boigo nigo bona nyakabwa kurukubore gocha Abarai kurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii wene kinga koreta baro murai bwenzo William Ruto erio gokwandira basai kurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii gore mangana abatungetie.
The Gusii Young Professional is requesting the above leaders to organize a special session with our president so that the president is the biggest government entity that we have, is the senior most leader of Kenya. So we want to present our issues one-on-one because we have never had a chance to talk to him direct, to present to them our issues so that we can be able to present issues of all sectors, from artists, farmers, teachers, educationists, trainers, and all youths representing us in various constituencies. We have a lot of a special conversation that we want to have with Excellency the President and maybe the Deputy President.
Chinga kichicho nigensemo y'Abarai yabo banyakaba kuboria serikali wenekinga ngobekera mabaga yemeremo gucha sabasae abo basomere batabwati emeremo.
Ebintu nebinga abasae tuwende gukora training, especially chiatsan, musicians and many others, obwalimu amabaga asa abana baminto banyarire gosoma bataranyara gokonyo otogo sabuna ebyongozi biri byeto bitotangaine binyara gotobwata okoboko bito ikange togwakine serikali ya robono inde tonyare konye enyare gotokonya na antonyare konye bwate zineintwe aso korenka asa magendero na asobo semia.
Ase boigo banyakoba kurukubore gocha se abantu bonsi kubwatise serikali rabisi iriyo nyakobage goikirania mabaga nemono yemeremo cha sabasae.
Agenteke monda abatebi as young leaders, you have to support the government of the day. When you support the government of the day, kenenke yora nyore kimaendeleo maybe tutagete skills get to support the government. You can't get anything if you can't support the government of the day. Batebambia mono sana nande youths bari bande batarajoinie kiombe keiga tobakaribishire sana tutagete tobabange togende mutu amutwensi
na hekerense ergere chibochoryo bonene bo mwaka w'ikirubere na 2025 niga basai banyakoba kuboriwa tibatume kubube kisiasa ere koreta chiburaburu.
We want to appeal for political tranquility as we head to the 2027 elections, and we want to urge our young people from both Kisii and Nyamira counties to stay calm and to avoid goonism as we head to the election. Our agenda is empowering the young generation. Gusii Young Profession, empowering the young generation. Gusii young generation. Generation.
Kupoteria Ensoko TV kura Egeikaro ya Gusii ritira na Pethuel Machin.